This video will explain how to program user codes on your master lock fire safe. Follow these simple steps and your codes will be programmed before you know it. Ready? Here we go. Before we begin, locate the 5-digit factory code found on the back of your owner's manual and enter the code to open the door. This safe is set to 62044. Programming the primary user code. To program a user code, press the P button, then enter the 5-digit factory code on the electronic keypad. The green proceed light will flash green. Then you will have 5 seconds to enter your own personal 5-digit user code. In this case, we will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the green proceed light flashes, your primary user code has been saved. Programming the secondary code. To program a secondary code, press the P button 2 times, then enter the 5-digit primary user code on the electronic keypad. The green proceed light will flash green. Then you will have 5 seconds to enter your own personal 5-digit secondary code. In this case, we will use 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When the green proceed light flashes, your secondary code has been saved. Please note the C button is a clear key. This can be used at any time to clear the system and start over. Be sure to test your new user code several times with the door in the open position prior to closing and locking your safe. Deleting the secondary code. To delete the secondary user code, first press the P button 2 times, then enter the 5-digit user code and enter 00000 to delete the code. Deleting the user code. To delete the user code, first press the P button, enter the 5-digit factory code on the keypad, and enter 00000 to delete the code. For additional how-to videos, please visit masterlock.com.